Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw a cheesecake, so let's get started. To draw this cheesecake, we're going to first start by drawing a straight line for one of the edges. So I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to go straight down. About that much. And so this line is going to basically determine how high your cheesecake slice is going to be. And then from there, we're going to go angle a line all the way across. So not too much, just a little bit so we can give our slice of cake some perspective. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to go right across. Say about that much. So this will determine how long you want your slice of cheesecake to be. And then from there, I'm going to come up here and I'm just, well, you know what? I'll start over this side. Sorry, I think this is going to be a little easier. So I'm basically going to follow my bottom angle. So just make sure as you're going here, you're going to follow your angle in the bottom. So right here. And about right there, I'm going to stop because I know I have some drizzle that's coming down. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and complete this line all the way to here. So about right here, I'm going to stop and I'm just going to add some drizzle. So I'll just continue. So then about right there, I'm going to wiggle down. And I'm going to keep in mind I still have some eyes here and a mouth. So if you want to add that, just make sure your drizzle is not too low so that you still have room. So say about right there, I'll stop and then come back up. And I'm going to imagine this line continuing all the way. So just give myself a point, make sure I know where I'm going. And right there. So it's continuing all the way through. Same angle. And I'm going to stop at the same level right here. And then from there, I'm just going to connect it with a straight line. And I'm going to wobble it a little bit because it is cheesecake. Here and there, if you want, you can wobble it. Okay, so then I basically have one side of my cheesecake done. Then from there, I'm going to come to this corner and I'm going to go up with a curve so that we can give some toppings to our cheesecake. So right here, I'm just going to go up, slight curve, and curve in. So notice as I curve in, it's not, doesn't pass. Imagine this line going straight, it doesn't pass it. It's just about right there. And then I'm going to bring this down, so we're going to curve it down. So we're just trying to give our cheesecake some perspective here. So maybe it'd be easier if I come down here. So I'm going to basically follow this curve down here. The perspective is not, of course, is not perfectly accurate. As long as we can fool the eye, I think it's good enough, right? Okay, so then from there, we're just going to connect it. So this line right here is going to be fairly straight. Come down and connect. There, so we have the sides. Now we're going to imagine an angle line coming all the way to here to create a triangle. So I'm going to start right here and creating my line. I'm going to come about right here, so about right there. If you're using a pencil, definitely go ahead and connect this line. But because I am using a Sharpie and I can't erase, I'm going to give myself a little space here to put all my toppings. So I'm just going to give myself a space, imagine going through, and then maybe about right here, I'll stop and add this line right here just so I know where I'm going. Okay, so then for the toppings, I'm adding some blueberries and strawberries. So I'll start with the foreground. So my first one is going to be a small little blueberry right here. I'm just going to draw a circle. And I'm going to come in here and give my blueberry perspective. So I'm just going to give it a little curve and zigzag. So then from there, I'm going to come behind this blueberry and draw a big strawberry. So I'm going to start about right here and come up, nice and round, and come back down and connect. So you just want this little egg shape with a sharp end right here. And then this is going to be my center. So this is the center of my strawberry, about right there. And I'm going to add some leaves just to pop in some color. So I'm just gonna add maybe, let's see here, one more right here to finish it off. And you can come in here with some of the seeds. So I'm just gonna thicken some lines if you want. Or you can do that when you're coloring. There, so I have my strawberry in, and I'm going to add another blueberry right here on the side, so another circle. So decorate your cheesecake however you like it. Curve and then zigzag. And then I think I have one more right here on the edge. So I'm going to come about right here. Just remember you have a line that's going to go through right here, so don't go too high up. So say about right here. Add another blueberry. So once again, curve and zigzag. So now I can finally go ahead and connect my line all the way through. There. Okay, so then now to finish our drizzle. So you come right here where I started, and then just build my drizzle. Maybe comes through here, and comes back to here, and add some right there. And then now at the bottom, let's give it a crust. So I'm going to basically follow this curve. So nice little crust right here. Maybe an Oreo crust or just a regular graham cracker crust, up to you. So then right here, I'm just gonna go all the way across, nice thick crust. So as I go across, following this line, I'm going to here and there wiggle a little bit because it is crust. So it's not too straight. And connect it. So there, that is basically a slice of yummy cheesecake. And then from there, if you want to bring it to life, I'm going to come right in the center area right here and add some eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And it's going to be at an angle. So the next one's going to be about right here. Oops. I have to fix my circle. My hand moved. Okay, so then right here, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. Okay, so then I have my 2 eyes in. Let me make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, so then in the center right here, I'm going to add a little smile. So the smile is going to be at an angle. And if you want, you can add a little U under it. Give it a happier smile. A curve inside. And on top of each eye, you can add a little curve. And then you can put some cheeks in here when you're coloring it. But that is pretty much it for this yummy, cute cheesecake. Hope you guys love how it turned out. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.